Hello everyone, so how to make a single on SoundCloud. So basically first you just need to create a playlist from your track. So for example, this is test track, click more, add to playlist, and then I'll need to create a new playlist. And then I just do that and click save. So then I just go to playlist, and from here I can click edit. And then playlist type, I just select here single. And then when I select single, I just need to add date of release. So some select that. And then I just click save changes. And then I will see single release date, and basically this track now becomes a single. So that's basically it. Hope you enjoyed it.